Hey, what's up, Chiliz Holder? Absolutely, my friend. This time, the very bad news, but exactly, my brother. I will give you 100% guarantee, my brother. To if you understand this video, I hope, my brother, you never lost and you will be get a very good profit now. So kindly watch this all video, my brothers, to understand better. Now, first of all, I will update you, and after that, I will predicate this coin. But kindly, holder, please, you need to subscribe this channel and also like this video for more this type of videos. Please like and subscribe this channel. Alright, remember this time you can see here the coin is completely dumps down last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 7 days. All chain occur completely negative now, so that's mean to the price is totally decreasing now. The market rank you can see here 68, and I hope, my brother, the market rank will be moving upward, but just only you need to hold and those days, especially if you are hold and those days, so you will be get a very good profit at the end of month. But if you starting selling, so my brother, you are completely on the loss in those days, because you can see here the coin is completely dumps down. So don't do any mistake, my brother. I hope the price will be increasing, but just in only you need to hold and wait for a good time. Yes, my brother, first of all, I want to tell you, my brothers, to upcoming time can ready there is a chance when they will wake up. My brother, I want to tell you to at the end of month every coin will wake up and move upward. So I hope, my brother, at the end of month there is 100% chances, my friends, so they will wake up and they will give you a profit. So don't miss this opportunity. I hope, my brothers, they will give you a very good profit, but just in only you need to hold and wait for the end of month. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and remember to subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.